Hey, what's up guys? Today we're diving into the top 4 stretched bar touchscreens of 2025. These ultra-wide displays are becoming increasingly popular and for good reason. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Kicking things off at number 4, we have the wisecoco stretched bar touchscreen. This 14-inch display packs a punch for its size, boasting a 4K UHD resolution of 3840 by 1100 pixels. Ultra-sharp details and vibrant colors make it perfect for anyone who needs a color-accurate display. This wisecoco screen is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for creatives who need extra space for their timelines in video editing software, or musicians working with those endless tracks in their DAWs. And hey, if you're a gamer who loves keeping an eye on system stats, this thing is perfect for displaying things like CPU and GPU temperatures without cluttering up your main screen. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable. Coming in at just $249.99, the wisecoco stretched bar touchscreen offers incredible value for its price. You get a stunning 4K display, touch functionality, and a sleek design, all without breaking the bank. Plus, it's compatible with both Windows and Mac, so you know you're covered no matter your setup. It's compact enough to fit on any desk without taking up too much space, yet it provides ample screen real estate for those specific tasks where you need that extra horizontal space. The touch functionality is also super responsive, making it a breeze to navigate through applications and timelines. The thin bezels and modern aesthetic really make this display pop. Overall, the wisecoco stretched bar touchscreen is a fantastic option for anyone looking for an affordable and versatile ultra-wide display. So, if you're in the market for a stretched bar touchscreen that won't break the bank, definitely check this one out. Coming in at number 3 is the Prechen portable touchscreen monitor. This 18.5-inch beauty is all about portability and convenience, without sacrificing performance. First off, let's talk about that gorgeous HDR display. With a 1920 by 1080 resolution and a 350 CDM2 brightness, this screen delivers crisp visuals and vibrant colors. It's super slim and lightweight, making it the perfect travel companion. Whether you're heading to a coffee shop, a client meeting, or just want a second screen on the go, the Prechen has got you covered. Built-in speakers are surprisingly loud and clear for a portable monitor. This Prechen monitor comes with a bunch of ports, including HDMI and USB-C, so you can easily connect it to your laptop, phone, or even a gaming console. The 10-point touch is super responsive and accurate, making it a breeze to navigate through applications, edit documents, or even do some light gaming. It also comes with a protective sleeve to keep it safe from scratches and bumps while you're on the move. Overall, the Prechen portable touchscreen monitor is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a portable, versatile, and feature-packed display. It's perfect for professionals, students, gamers, and anyone who needs a second screen on the go. Coming in hot at number 2 is the WCKUN 17.3-inch portable touchscreen monitor. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. We're talking 4K UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160 pixels of absolute beauty. That means incredibly sharp details, vibrant colors, and an immersive viewing experience. This WCKUN monitor is built like a tank, with a sleek and durable metal shell that can withstand the rigors of travel and everyday use. And speaking of travel, this monitor is surprisingly slim and lightweight for its size, making it a great option for professionals and creatives who need a portable 4K display. This WCKUN monitor is packed with features, including dual speakers that deliver surprisingly good sound quality for a portable monitor. It also has a built-in stand that allows you to adjust the viewing angle, as well as VESA compatibility if you want to mount it on an arm. This monitor has you covered with USB-C, HDMI, and even a headphone jack. It covers 100% of the sRGB color space, which means you're getting true-to-life colors, which is super important for creative professionals who need their work to look its best. And for you gamers out there, this monitor also has a 60 Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync support, which means you can enjoy smooth and tear-free gaming, even in fast-paced action. Overall, the WCKUN 17.3-inch portable touchscreen monitor is a premium portable display that's perfect for anyone who demands the best. It's got a stunning 4K display, a durable metal shell, and a ton of features that make it perfect for work, play, and everything in between. And finally, at number 1, we have the InnoView Portable Monitor Touchscreen. This 15.6-inch wonder packs a serious punch for its size and price, making it the ultimate portable productivity powerhouse. At just $119.99, this InnoView monitor is incredibly affordable, especially considering all the features it offers. You get a bright and vibrant 1080p display, a 10-point touchscreen, and a sleek and portable design, all for a price that won't break the bank. The 10-point touch is super responsive and accurate, making it a joy to use for work, entertainment, or even some light gaming. The built-in stand is a nice touch, allowing you to adjust the viewing angle to your liking. This InnoView monitor is incredibly thin and lightweight, making it the perfect travel companion. It easily fits into most backpacks and laptop bags, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It also comes with a protective sleeve to keep it safe from scratches and bumps while you're on the move. This InnoView monitor has both HDMI and USB-C ports, so you can easily connect it to your laptop, phone, or even a gaming console. Overall, the InnoView Portable Monitor Touchscreen is an exceptional value for anyone looking for a portable, affordable, and feature-packed touchscreen display. It's perfect for students, professionals, gamers, and anyone who needs a second screen on the go. So there you have it, the top 4 stretched bar touchscreens of 2025. From the ultra-sharp 4K resolution of the wisecoco to the portability of the Prechen, the durability of the WCKUN, and the incredible value of the InnoView, there's a stretched bar touchscreen out there for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.